Hello everyone, welcome to My Chanel Health Forever. In this video, you will learn how to lose 10 pounds in a month according to experts from your body. For a limited time, you can get a 75% discount by clicking the link in the video description below. If the link doesn't work, simply copy and paste the link into your browser, then press enter. The discount will be automatically applied. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into today's topics. Introduction: embarking on a journey to lose a specific amount of weight within a defined time frame can be a powerful motivator. However, it's crucial to tread carefully, as rapid weight loss can have detrimental effects on your health. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the realistic aspects of losing 10 pounds in a month and delve into the 10 best strategies to achieve weight loss safely and effectively. The pitfalls of time-based weight loss goals: setting a deadline for weight loss can lead to unhealthy practices and potential risks. Certified personal trainer and nutrition coach Pelc Graca warns against extreme measures like skipping meals or prolonged fasting. Such approaches not only jeopardize your health but also correlate with the development of eating disorders, as supported by research findings. Short-term versus long-term weight loss: while short-term weight loss can be achieved through various diets that create a calorie deficit, sustaining the weight loss is a different challenge. Ben Carpenter, a certified personal trainer, emphasizes the difficulty of maintaining weight loss, pointing out the pitfalls of yo-yo dieting. A 2019 meta-analysis highlights that over 50% of lost weight is regained within 2 years, escalating to 80% within 5 years. 9 expert tips for safe and sustainable weight loss. Embrace the long-term journey. Dr. Asher advocates for viewing weight loss as a lifelong journey. Life events, celebrations, and unavoidable deviations are part of this expedition. Instead of focusing solely on rapid results, prioritizing long-term health through consistent, positive choices is key. Keep a weight loss journal. Francis Fessler, a certified personal trainer, underscores the importance of a food diary. Tracking what, how much, and when you eat provides valuable insights. Dr. Dibba suggests using this information to tailor your diet to meet daily and weekly caloric goals. Create a calorie deficit. Understanding your daily caloric needs based on factors like sex, age, height, and activity level is pivotal. Pelc Graca recommends a moderate calorie deficit of 500 to 1,000 calories, emphasizing moderation over drastic measures. Opt for water over sugary beverages. Staying hydrated contributes to a feeling of fullness, according to Fessler. Additionally, cutting down on sugar-sweetened drinks reduces overall caloric intake. Research hints at potential positive effects of water on hormone levels and metabolism. Limit processed foods. Dr. Dibba advises restricting ultra-processed foods to 15% to 20% of your weekly consumption to maintain balance. Studies correlate high consumption of such foods with an increased risk of obesity, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Prioritize protein intake instead of adhering to restrictive fad diets. Dr. Eric Asher suggests a balanced approach that includes all foods in moderation. Pelc Graca emphasizes incorporating protein-rich sources like lean meats, poultry, eggs, legumes, nuts, and soy products into meals. This not only reduces the hunger hormone, but also helps preserve muscle mass during a calorie deficit. Increase vegetable consumption. Pelc Graca extols the virtues of vegetables as high-density, low-calorie foods rich in fiber. To support weight loss, she recommends dedicating a quarter to half of your plate to vegetables at every meal. Practice mindful eating. Dr. Lee emphasizes the importance of slowing down and practicing mindfulness while eating. This approach helps reduce overall food intake. And Pelc Graca suggests stopping when you feel about 80% full to allow satisfaction to set in. Prioritize sleep. Carpenter underscores the impact of sleep on hormones regulating appetite. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to mitigate hormonal fluctuations and control appetite effectively. Conclusion: embarking on a weight loss journey is not just about achieving a short-term goal but prioritizing long-term health. The 10 expert-backed tips provided here offer a holistic approach to weight loss, emphasizing sustainable practices over quick fixes. By incorporating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals while safeguarding your well-being. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.